Yes, I see.
You spend many days and nights perfecting this chocolate for those you love. I think it's wonderful.
For many years you have been nothing but good to me, and now I share my most prized receipt with you. Try one. So?
I've never tasted something so sweet, so perfect, and so delicious. You're truly a master, sir.
It's finally done! The world's most perfect chocolate bar made in our home.
افتح يا سمسم. What's all the excitement about?
Dawood, come.
Brother, congratulations! I would die for a taste.
Try one.
It's...
Words cannot describe the taste.
You took the words right out of my mouth.
I see. Can you get me a clean towel to clean this mess?
Yes, sir.
We finally have our own secret family recipe. What a good day it's for us.
But what a great life we could have if we shared this recipe with the world.
With the world, we cannot possibly make enough.
Let us sell our recipe, and then we will have enough money to make enough chocolate for the world.
My family is my world. This is the only thing important to me.
Ali, now more than ever we can invest and make a fortune. Let us invest in this amazing recipe.
Dawood, let us talk more of this at dinner. I must finish here now.
I have to go to work anyway. I'll see you later tonight.
Sulbi, I was just about to give me my money. It's just Look, do you have the money or not?
I need a little more time.
The boss said you might say something like that.
Just give me some more time, please.
Show this piece of shit how important deadlines are.
Sulbi, but...
Sulbi,
Ali? Asid? Oh, Asid. Is anybody home?
No, just me.
افتح يا سمسم.
You were told to collect my money. Do you have my money?
No, but...
So you have something better than money for me?
Yes, chocolate. There's a guy outside who has a recipe.
Buzz him in.
Yeah, let him in.
Sit. What's your name?
Dawood Baba, sir.
Or do you have something for me?
I do, yeah. This chocolate recipe is the best chocolate recipe in the world. I'll bet my life on it.
You bet your life on it. You come into my office and you give me half a recipe? Get out of my office.
Give me one day and I'll get you the rest
Get out of my office.
But...
Give me! Get out of my office.
You heard the boss.
Get out of my office right now. Come into my office thinking... Bring me? This is what you bring me? He was willing to bet his life on this chocolate recipe?
Boss, it must be worth something.
Let's go for a ride.
Yeah, get the car ready. It's up front.
Let's go.
Yes, sir.
Home in a rush and asking for you. Then he left the kitchen just as fast as he came.
I already know. They would only find one half of my recipe. They will not find the other half.
How hard is it for you to steal a recipe from an old man and a housekeeper? I mean, you're just...
Boss, that's him.
Who?
Ali fucking Baba.
Where?
There.
That's Alibaba?
Yeah.
If you want to do something right, you gotta do it yourself. Write this down, buddy.
If you want something done right, you must do it yourself. Prick.
Alibaba,
Yes,
I'm Kusai, an old friend of your brother's. How is the hood?
I'm sorry, but Dawood passed away.
I'm sorry to hear this. Is it possible for me to come by your home and pay my respects?
Of course not.
Tonight it is. See you then.
My guest is here. Please prepare us coffee.
Yes, sir.
Thank you. Sorry.
Alibaba. Thank you.
Sit.
Beautiful house.
Thank you.
You must be a seed.
Nice to meet you.
You too.
Thank you.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
So, how are you?
Good. Business. It's always about... It's always about business. I'm sure you're a businessman yourself. sure you understand. Spicy coffee.
Are you okay?
Yeah.
Are you okay? Asil, call help. Musa is dead. Asil, call help. Asil, call help. Don't stand. Asil, don't stand there.
Sir, calm down. He killed your brother. Dahu tried selling the recipe to Kasai, and he killed him and came back for the other half.
Asil, you've done so much for my family, and now you saved my life. Here is the other half, that's it.
Oh my god. Thank you so much, sir. I'll protect this with my life.